How to find your passion. How to make passion as your profession. Let's understand this video. చాలా మంది passion గురించి మాట్లాడతారు. I love dancing, I love singing, I love playing cricket, I love speaking. చాలా మందికి చాలా passions ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఆ ప్యాషన్ని ప్రొఫెషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఈ వీడియోలో మనం అర్థం చేసుకుందాం. See, for me, speaking was my passion. Now speaking is my profession. So I've done this personally in my life. I can share my secrets with you. So step number 1, ఫస్ట్ మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది how to find your passion. చాలా మందికి తెలియదు, కొంచెం మందికి తెలుసు, ఓకే, few people know it, but many people don't know what is their passion. So let me give you a simple formula for finding your passion, a 3-step method. Step number 1 for finding your passion is identify few things which you love doing from childhood and you're still doing it. ఖచ్చితంగా కొన్ని ఉంటాయి, ఓకే, చిన్నప్పుడు మనం ఇష్టపడేవి చాలా ఉంటాయి అండ్ ప్రస్తుతానికి కూడా మనం చేస్తున్నాము అది. అలాంటివి కొన్ని మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐల్ గివ్ యూ మై ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫ్రమ్ మై లైఫ్. I loved doing yoga from childhood. I loved playing cricket from childhood. I loved reading soft skills, soft thoughts from childhood. But if you see, till now, yoga is on and off, cricket is completely off, but soft skills, reading soft thoughts is still on. From childhood till now, I'm still doing it. And I feel very happy, amazed, enthusiastic when I read soft skill thoughts. Now that is step number 1, which means I found out something which I like doing from childhood. That's step number 1. You have to do it for yourself. What is that you like doing from childhood? Once you get this level, step number 1, now let's go to step number 2. What is that one thing which your friends used to appreciate you for from your school days or college days or even now in your company or wherever you're working or wherever you are studying? Ask yourself this question. What is that people appreciate you for? I'll give my example. In my college days, I was always being appreciated for my speaking skills. They used to like me for speaking. There was a competition in the class that Saurabh is going to be in which team so that they can win the debates, win the discussions. I was good at speaking and I was always appreciated for speaking in my college days. And even in my job, when I joined TCS, people used to appreciate me for my speaking and writing skills. Now that is second step for me. Now ask yourself, what is that something which people appreciate you for from childhood? Make a note of that. Now if you see in my example, soft skills, speaking, both are interrelated. Yes. Now step number 3, very important step which you have to understand. Can I do this speaking or soft skill for free of cost? Can I do it without expecting anything in return? If the answer is yes, then that's the passion for you. If you see my example, I was willing to do soft skills, willing to record videos, willing to speak in front of people without bothering about money. I loved it, I enjoyed it, and I was willing to do it. And when I do it, I live in the present moment. I forget about the past, I forget about the future. I am completely immersed in the moment because I love it. And I'm least bothered if I'm getting paid for it or not. Okay, now that's the step number 3. For me, it was speaking and soft skills. If you see me right now, I speak on soft skills. It has become my profession. Yes. Now, I identified my passion and then I made it my profession. Now, step number 1, 2, 3 are important to first identify your passion. Do it for yourself. Pause this video and do it for yourself. Step number 1, what is that you did from childhood? Still doing it. Step number 2, what is that people used to appreciate you for? Step number 3, you're willing to do it even for free because you love doing it. You enjoy doing it so much. ఈ 3 ఫిల్టర్స్ కనుక పాస్ చేస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా అది మీ ప్యాషన్. దాన్ని వదలకండి, దాన్ని గ్రూమ్ చేయండి. ఆ ప్యాషన్ని ప్రొఫెషన్లో మార్చడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ డన్. వెన్ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ దాట్ Saurabh, this is my profession, this is my passion, let me make this as a profession. I started doing separate things, few things for that. I'll tell you what I have done. How to make passion as a profession. Let's understand this video. First basic thing what you have to do is become skillful. ఆ ప్యాషన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాని మీద ఎంత వర్క్ చేయండి, చాలా ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ వర్క్, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ స్కిల్ అండ్ మేక్ ఇట్ ఎక్స్పర్టీస్ లెవెల్. దానిలో మీరు ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అయిపోవాలి అంతే, ఇంకా వేరే ఆప్షన్ మీకు లేదు. ఆ స్కిల్ మీకంటే బాగా ఇంకా ఎవరు చేయలేరు, అలాంటి స్టేజ్కి మీరు వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. Master that passion, master that skill. Assuming it is dancing for you, become the best dancer in your town. Speaking for you, become the best speaker in your city. Painting for you, become the best artist in your town. Learn to become expert in that art. Step number 1. Step number 2, learn to market yourself. See, you can be an expert, but sitting at home, no one knows about you. So learn to market yourself. Identify your passion. Okay, step number 1. Step number 2, master the passion by gaining knowledge, by applying the skill. Step number 3, learn to market yourself. If people don't know you, you are an expert sitting at home. Who cares about an expert sitting at home? See, once I understood public speaking was my passion, I started recording videos on public speaking. And slowly people started watching these videos. In fact, right now you're watching this video because I'm recording this video for you. I'm telling my passion to you, right? Isn't it? Become visible. Visible, 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 visible. Use social media. Use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. A lot of sources available to showcase your talent. Learn to market yourself. Once you learn to market yourself, next step, which is very important, is learn to sell. It's not just about marketing, you have to learn even to sell. Now, what will you sell? You have to create a product. You have to create a product or service which you can deliver to the people. For me, it was public speaking. So I designed a course on public speaking. And that course was what I was marketing to the people. I was telling people that, okay, this is the problem you have of speaking. I have a product for it. You can take this product and solve your problem of public speaking. So that is also very important. Before even selling, you should learn to create a product or a service which you can give to the people. YouTube is giving you a service of videos. Yes, what service you can give to your customers? Using your passion, identify it. Assuming you are a gym enthusiast, you love doing gym from childhood, okay? Now create a course, 1 hour course, 1 hour exercise every single day, and give that course to the people who want to get thin. That becomes your product. And market that product in the market using social media. And then learn to sell, because they are going to ask you, okay, I like it. How can I buy it from you? You need to know how to sell it. You need to know how to talk. Speaking becomes very important, isn't it? Right now I'm speaking in front of you. I'm using my skill of public speaking. I'm using my skill of talking, my body language, my voice to convince you. So speaking becomes very important to create that product and sell that product, to market that product, to sell that product. You need your communication skills. So improve your communication skills. Learn to sell. And finally, learn to deliver. Assuming he came to take coaching from you, he gave you, assuming 10,000 rupees, you sold him, and now you have to train him. He should become thin. Only then you will become famous. Assuming you train him for 3 months, 3 months lo bakka kaipoyinadu anukondi, oka 10 kgs waist nijanga you are able to reduce for him. He was 80, you made him 70. He will market you. He will bring customers for you. Okay, and that is how your passion becomes your profession. And you know what? You need not work even a single day because you're doing what you love. I love what I do. I don't work even a single day because I enjoy what I'm doing. When I'm recording this video, I'm at peace. I'm very comfortable. I'm very peaceful right now when I'm recording this video for you. And this video is what I do for a living. Yes, this is my business and this is my passion. When your passion becomes your profession, that's the best combination. And that's what I want to happen to you as well. Step number 1, identify the passion. Step number 2, learn to monetize the passion. Make that passion as a profession. Identify what is the problem you can solve in the market. Make your skill expertise level. Learn to create a product. Learn to market. Learn to sell and learn to deliver. If you're able to do this, you can make anything as your profession. And I don't want anything. I want your passion to become your profession. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I've done this. You can do it as well. So please implement it. Mention in the comment section how you are going to do it. What's your passion? At least mention that. And I'll see you in the next video with much more details about passion and profession. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Till then, take care.